Hello everyone, today's video is Diwali decoration with waste material. So let's start. Old plate which I'm not using and some old bangles, pom-pom balls, tea light and a glue gun and some color. With the paint I colored the whole plate, sticking those bangles with some glue gun on the plate. Sticking the pom-pom balls around the bangle, put the tea light in the middle. There it is, our next DIY is ready. This is acrylic paint bottle. The color was finished, so I thought of doing a DIY with it. I washed it and now I am using it for my Diwali decoration. Paraffin wax, crayon and wicks. I poured the paraffin wax in it and using it as a candle. For this one I am using chai matki which I collect from a tea stall. We usually throw this away after drinking tea, but I thought of doing a DIY with it, so I collect them. So let's see. We need paraffin wax, some color and wicks. I poured the paraffin wax in it and now adding the wicks. I also paint them with some fabric color and next one is ready. Next we need some gravel, tea light, a glass, old CD and a glue gun. With some hot glue, first I'm adding the glass and then I'm adding the gravel around it. Put a tea light in the glass and decorate it with some flower or anything you have. And next one is ready. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch my another video on Diwali decoration. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Bye.